Age Invaders is an interactive, physical family entertainment game designed specially for young kids and elderly people. It is based on the original Space Invaders arcade game, in which the young player sits in front of the big arcade machine and shoots the aliens by controlling the joystick. Age Invaders evolves from the arcade version and let multiple people play on a large physical game board. It also supports virtual interface for players to participate in the game in real time remotely through internet. Young children and elderly have very different lifestyles and interests. Elderly like to play games such as chess, but some young people find it too slow and not interesting enough. On the other hand, young people like to play fast and sometimes violent console games, which elderly find it hard to understand. However, study shows that elderly do like computer and digital games, but unfortunately almost all computer games are designed for the young and are too fast and complicated for the elderly. The solution to this is the novel Age Invaders game. It is designed particularly for the young and elderly. It is a physical game which encourages physical interactions and collaborations. First, we have the physical game board, which consists of 50 LED sub-panels. Next, we have the Bluetooth LED display, which will light up when the player is shot. Bluetooth toy gun is used to trigger rockets. RFID shoe is used to track the player. 3D virtual player interface is used for remote internet playing. One unique feature of Age Invaders is that our system is able to track the positions and identity of the players while they are moving on the physical game board. As the player fires the Bluetooth toy gun, it triggers a rocket flying through the game board. Upon hitting the opponent's LED jacket will show explosion pattern. One novelty of Age Invaders is that the game parameters vary automatically to suit different pace of young and elderly players. Parameters such as the speed of the rocket can be changed. The speed of rocket launched by the elderly is very fast, so the young players have to react very fast to the game. On the other hand, the speed of the rocket launched by the young players is rather slow, so that the elderly have more time to react. Players can avoid being hit by a rocket by jumping over it onto another sub-panel. At any point of time, virtual players can log on and participate in the game remotely through the internet.
Hello? Hey Dad! Hey, I need your help!
A virtual 3D online interface is connected to the physical game board environment in real-time manner. Parents as an online player can help the physical players by drag and drop on the user interface. For example, he can place extra energy by drag and drop the energy icon onto the virtual game board. And at the same time, energy icon appears on the physical game board and the player can collect the item. The online player can also place virtual barriers to block flying rockets. As we can see, the barrier dropped on the virtual environment appears immediately on the physical game board and blocks the flying rocket. This increases the link between the real and virtual world.